CarStory research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a fair price. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, adaptive cruise control, MP3, blind spot monitor. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2019 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote vehicle start, headlights auto off, mirror memory, power brakes, backup camera. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.